Import files to create parts for a new job. Interactive mapping makes it easy to transfer drawing data. Adjust other costs for secondary processes or operations. Create a task and nest the parts to calculate nested costs. Create a new job and enter customer information. Specify dates for tracking, Outlook integration, and planning. Update status to quote to prepare the customer quotation. Review quotation report and item costs. Update status to order once accepted by the customer. Review order confirmation report for item summary. Schedule operation time to manufacture the items. Review SigmaNest work order creation summary. SigmaNest work order is ready for programming.